Okay guys, so I am here at Lily's desk because it's clean, and I'm going to show you how to make an Angle-a-tron. This is a reminder of what we did today in class. So the first thing you're going to do is take a sheet of paper and you're going to fold it in half. And I am attempting to do this one-handed, so once in a while I may have to put down the tablet and just go about the folding. So here's my first fold. Okay, and I'm going to remind myself that when I fold any sheet of paper in half that has a nice straight edge, just like in the Angle-a-tron video, that the bottom angle is 180 degrees. Okay? Now the second thing I can see just by folding my sheet of paper is a right angle. And so I'm going to mark my right angle with the right angle mark on both the right and the left side, because I know that on both sides that's a right angle. And I'm going to mark this 90 degrees. And I know that this one is also 90 degrees. Now how am I going to know that? I think I should probably make an arc so that you can see. This is a 90 degree angle. And this is a 90 degree angle. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. So far so good. Everybody got it? Okay, I hope so anyway. Okay, now I'm going to do my 45. So my 45s I have to fold those 90 degree angles in half, and the easiest way to do that is to fold my sheet of paper. So I'm going to go back to my original 90 degree fold, okay, and I'm going to double check that a moment if you don't mind. Sorry about that. Hi, ruler. We're very close to each other there. Oh, there we go. All right. So when I fold my sheet of paper for my 90 degree angle, I'm going to fold it half of 45, and I want to make sure that my tip is pretty close. But you can see I'm just matching up the edges there. Sorry about my giant hand. Okay, and I'm going to fold, because I know that half of a 90 degree angle is a 45 degree angle. And then when I go ahead and unfold that, I'm going to see the lines for a 45 degree angle. Okay, and then I'm going to mark those angles. And I'm going to use a different color because I think that when I use my Angle-a-tron, it's going to be easier. So here is a 45 degree angle and a 45 degree angle. Oh boy, I made a mistake, guys. It's going to be on me. And a 45 degree angle. Sorry, guys. And finally, a 45 degree angle. Okay, and then I'm going to make an arc for each, so I can see what color is the 45 degree angle. You can see the colors kind of correspond with the arcs, and that makes it easier to see. There we go. Arc my next one. Now arc my next one. Now here's the fold that drove you all nuts today in class, and I do apologize for that, but if we're going to use our Angle-a-tron, then we need to have more than just 45 and 90, okay? So I'm going to have to make this into third folds next. That's kind of my next order of business. You can kind of see it there real good. So give me just a second. I'm going to see how that works. I'm taking my sheet of paper, and I want to fold it into thirds. I can't really see if I'm seeing the right thing right here, so I apologize if I'm not. I don't have a stand or anything since I'm using my own tablet. Sorry about that, guys. But you can kind of see now that I've got the paper fixed up so that I'm going to be folding it in thirds. So I'm going to go ahead and make that crease. Okay, I'm being very mindful of that center point. Okay, and then I'm just making my crease lines there, bringing down my creases there. There we go, opening her back up. And now I've got 60 degree angles, which are going to help me with my 30s, but let me mark off my 60s. I'm going to use a different color again. Okay, so here are my 60s. Wait, let me see how I can do this here. Come on, paper. Okay, we've got a 60 degree angle here, excuse me. I'm going to just make you look at nothing there for a minute. My bad. Lovely carpet. Okay. So there's one 60 degree angle there on my Angle-a-tron. Here's the second 60 degree angle. And I'm going to make my arc. One-handed drawing on a piece of paper that moves around. It's kind of tricky. Okay, and then here's my third and final 60 degree angle. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw my arc over it. Ooh, a little dotted line action. Very, very cool. All right, so now on my Angle-a-tron, I've got 90s, 45s, 60s, and then of course my 180. Now if I take my 60s and I fold them back up, then half of my 60 is going to be 30. So let me make that fold quick.